As you can see, the latest model of iPhone do not have earphone or headphone jack. So for this episode, we will unbox the adapter that I bought from Apple Store that will connect our earphone or headphone to our iPhone. The price is 590 Philippine pesos or around 11 US dollar. This is not sponsored.
Even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
Okay. Lightning to headphone jack adapter. So this will connect your iPhone to your headphone. There is no headphone jack or earphone jack on your latest models of iPhone. So if you want to connect your wired headphone or wired earphone on your latest iPhone, you need this adapter. So let us open it. Okay. And I just need to connect it here. So you can connect your earphone here. Okay. Or connect your headphones.